Hello students, today we are going to study a poem which is really very motivational and inspirational. It is going to teach us that we should never say no. We should never say that it cannot happen. I cannot do this. I can't do this because it can be done. The poem It Can Be Done is going to tell you that if a man would have said that I cannot do a particular thing, that then no inventions, no innovative things would have happened in this world. There would have been no history, there would have been no technology in this world. So it is very important that we always keep our doors of adventure, of innovation open. The man who misses all the fun is he who says it can't be done. In the first line itself, we can understand that the poet is trying to tell you that the man who is missing all the fun in the world is the one who says it can't be done. In solemn pride, solemn means he has pride in himself. He is very proud. He stands aloof. Aloof means separated from all the others. He lives alone. He lives away from everyone and greets every venture. Venture means adventure. Every opportunity with a reproof. Reproof means he is not happy. He is never ready to accept the change. He is not ready to accept the change. He is not ready to go on a new adventure or innovation. He just keeps on doing the same old thing which he does. Had he the power, he'd efface. Means if he had power, if ever he would have had powers to erase everything, efface means to erase, wipe out everything, he would have first erased the history of human race. Because if someone is just sitting and doing nothing, there would have been no innovations, there would have been no history of innovating new ideas. Like Newton have given gravitational force. This is a new idea given by Newton because it is an innovation. He thought about it. He accepted the change. He tried to learn something new, and so the history was made. So, if this man who says it cannot be done would have had powers, he would have first wiped out all the history. Then we'd have no radios, no motor cars, no street lights lit by electrical stars. So there would have been no innovations like radios, motor cars, street lights, electricity. These all the ideas which a human had progressed in these past years would have not come. No telegraph, nor telephone. We'd linger in the age of stone. Means he's telling, the poet is trying to tell us that if we would have not thought about this can be done, then the human would have still lived in stone age where he was just around living in the forest like animals. But even in Stone Age period, humans were still progressing. They learned many things. They learned innovations, new technologies, new ideas to agriculture. So these all the things of innovations that the man can do certain things which an animal cannot. We have a good intellectual power better than animals, right? So we kept on progressing, and now we are in the age where everything is so technical, everything is so easy and quick accessible just because man said that he can do it. So it is very important that we always welcome new ideas and innovations in our life. And if the world was run by this man who says it can't be done, then everyone would have been sleeping. The world would sleep if things were run by man who said it can't be done. So this is a very important poem. It gives you a message that we should not keep on doing the things which you do ordinary. We should always try to innovate. We should try to invent new things. So in this poem, the poet begins the poem by telling us that the man who always says it can't be done and the person who is missing all the fun is the same. Because he doesn't want to try anything new. He doesn't want to learn anything new. He don't want to innovate the things. He don't want to learn the different ways of doing things. Such a person will always stand separate in his own proud, feeling that he knows everything. And he will not welcome the task happily, but rather with negative comments like reproof. Reproof means suspicion or negative comments, giving negative comments to something new. And if he had powers, he would have first wiped out the human inventions. That is all the things that has been invented by the man right from the invention of fire till now. Then we would not have been able to get radios, motor car, these street lights, and no innovations or technology. And if the world was run by such men, obviously everyone would have been sleeping, doing just nothing. So now I'm going to read out the whole poem for you once again. It can be done. The man who misses all the fun is he who says it can't be done. In his own pride he stands aloof and greets each venture with reproof. Had he the power, he'd efface the history of human race. We'd had no radios or motor cars, no street lights lit by electric stars, no telegraph nor telephone. We'd linger in the age of stone. The world would sleep if the things were run by man who says it can't be done. I hope you all have understood the poem. Write down all the meanings in your book and complete the assignment given. Thank you.